And the crazy part about all this shit is that I'm a girl and I'm better than half of you niggas in the industry and on the underground to come up and all that shit. Like all them niggas on the Smack DVDs, I'm better than y'all. I'm so nice, I'm gonna freestyle this whole shit and show y'all. There was dumb, then there was me. They was hating cause I'm everything they wish they could be. His levels to the shit, yeah, y'all better free me. I'm nice with the computer, so you know I stay geek. Copping Buddha from the A-Reds right around the street. Niggas already know what it is, yeah, it's me. I'm doing my thing, yeah, I'm doing my thing. Bullets bouncing off my body, call me Luke Cage. Yeah, you know I'm insane, all my haters burn stage. You already know, chapter 1, turn the page. I'm trapping, yeah, I'm doing my thing. Married to the streets, I tattoo my ring. Getting that chicken, I fly like a ring. You know I'm a diamond, so I shine like bling. Ding dong ditch, I'm at they door like ding. Now they all on my dick because I'm doing my thing.